Hey there, how are you guys? This is Dr. Cosette with my financial home enterprise. I wanted to come to you guys today and just talk to you guys about our 1099s. I was having a conversation with someone recently, and we were talking about 1099s. And so we have several of them. And so I want to just give you guys a quick rundown of a few of our 1099s. I don't know if I'm gonna say, I said a few, but I might just go through the entire list of all of them. And so our first one is 1099A. That is acquisition and abandonment of secured property. So if you have acquired any property or you have let go any property, then you will be receiving what we call a 1099A, and it will list the total value amount of the property amount that either you acquired or that you let go. All right. Then we have our 1099B. And let me just say for you guys, we have quite a bit. I think that there is a total of about 29 of these. So I probably won't go through all of them, but I'm going to go through as many as I can in this short period of time. But 1099B is for proceeds from the broker or barter. So if you sell property or you sell any assets, goods, or anything, then you will be getting a Form 1099B. Make sure that if you sell the property and you don't get that you inquire from your lender, you inquire from your escrow company, where is your 1099B? 1099C, and this catches a lot of you off guard, but oftentimes you will settle on debt. And so when you settle on debt or you ask them to close out the account, they may not tell you this, but you may subsequently get what we call a 1099C. And it is going to list the dollar value of the debt that you forewent. So if it was $10,000, you closed on a card, you didn't pay it off, then guess what? They're going to come around and get you, because that's reportable income that you must report on your tax return, and that is a 1099C. Okay, we have a 1099 DIV. Those are dividends and distributions. Most of us are familiar with that. If you have dividends that are paid out throughout the year, then you must pay taxes on the dividend amount that you acquired, accrued, received in the current tax year. 1099G. A lot of us are responsible for we've seen those. It's the unemployment, you guys, or any type of government payments. You will receive a 1099G, and that is considered taxable income. 1099H, that is for those of you that have health care tax credit advance payments. That's usually the marketplace that you will typically see these. We very infrequently see them, but there is a form for it, 1099H. We have our 1099 INT, which is for interest, okay? Those of you that have accrued interest on your savings account, your checkings account, any institution that pays you interest, they will issue you a 1099 INT, okay? We have our 1099K. If you have a merchant account and you swipe the credit card all the time, then you receive a 1099K, which tells the IRS that you received money. It's going to break it down month by month, total number of transactions and the total amount that you received. 1099 LTC. Very, very infrequently do I see this, but if you've had long-term care or accelerated death benefits, then we do see these. It's very infrequently, but we do have them. 1099 miscellaneous, you guys know that's for miscellaneous income. If you have inventory, you're in a direct marketing sales, and you have income, then we do see individuals who have the 1099 miscellaneous and the inventory amount or the resale goods that you purchase from the company are listed there as well. 1099 NEC, this is new. It came out a couple of years ago, but it's the non-employee compensation amount. Instead of giving someone a 1099 miscellaneous, the form came out 2-3 years ago for the 1099 NEC. All right. We also have our 1099 OID, which is original issue discount. We have a 1099 PATR, That is for partial distribution of receipts from cooperatives. 1099K, 1099KA, I'm sorry, 1099Q and 1099QA. We have our 1099R, that is for retirement. Most of us know what that is. If we receive money from our 401k, we've received money from our IRAs, we've received money from our pension. We are going to get a 1099R, and that is considered taxable income. 1099S, if you sell your real estate, the proceeds from the real estate will be on a 1099S. We have a 1099SA, that is distributions from an HSA, Medicare Advantage HSA, or Anchor HSA. You will be receiving that if you contribute to the HMA. That's the Health Savings Association. Okay. 1099T for my individuals who are college students or taking some college courses. You're at a university and you're looking to write off education credit, you will receive a 1099T. Keep in mind, education credit is not eligible for all taxpayers. It will depend on your filing status as well as your income threshold levels. So do keep that in mind. 1099 government or GOV, government payments, 1099 miscellaneous NEC, and then there are a few more, but I've given you guys a full listing of our 1099s that we as taxpayers may from time to time see each tax year. And remember that that means that it is reportable income. It is taxable income, and it must be included in the tax return. All right. Hopefully this helps some of you. I know that I oftentimes will receive questions about what's this 1099 or when or will I get it? Just know 1099s are due to you as the taxpayer by they're to be mailed by October, by January 31st of each year. And that's just the postmark date. You can receive it 10, 14 days beyond that, depending on the postmark date, but it has to be in the mail from the person issuing it to you. All right, for tips just like this, continue to look forward to following me on YouTube, and you can find tips just like this. You can also follow me on social media. I am at Instagram at Cosette M. White. I am also on LinkedIn at Cosette M. White, and of course, Facebook, Cosette M. White. So continue to follow me for other tips. I do leave tips on all social media platforms. And you guys know YouTube is the place where you can get these types of tips on taxes. All right. Have an amazing day. I will catch you guys next time I go live with a tip. Bye-bye.